Imagine increasing your IELTS score by just 1 point and seeing your desired university's acceptance letter in your inbox. Dream come true, isn't it? Well, IELTS is one such aspect of your studying abroad process that can make or break your journey. Hey guys, I'm Mahima Kothari and welcome back to UniScholars. Today, we will focus on the most important part of your study abroad application process, the IELTS exams. From understanding each section of IELTS to uncovering the top strategies, we have a roadmap ahead for you. So, let's get quickly started. Understanding the IELTS. So, first things first, let's break down the IELTS. It's a test assessing your English proficiency across 4 skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Excelling in this test isn't just about understanding English, it's about demonstrating proficiency in a structured and academic context. So, here's a deeper understanding of each section of IELTS. Listening section. The listening section is your first challenge. It consists of 4 recordings, ranging from a simple conversation to a university lecture. The key here is to practice active listening. Don't just hear, but listen for specific details. Understand the speaker's tone and get the gist of the conversation. Using varied types of audio resources like podcasts or news channels can really help sharpen this skill. Reading section. This part tests your ability to comprehend written texts. You will encounter a variety of texts, from descriptive and factual to discursive and analytical. The tip: skim and scan. Learn to quickly identify the main ideas and also look for specific information. Practice with different types of texts and remember, time management is crucial here. Writing section. The writing section demands clarity, coherence, and a good range of vocabulary and grammar. You will have 2 tasks: a short essay and a response to a given situation or argument. Work on structuring your essays well and don't forget to proofread your work. Speaking section. Lastly, the speaking section is like a structured interview. You will have a one-on-one conversation with an examiner. This tests your ability to express ideas fluently and coherently. Our tip: speak English daily, even if it's just with yourself in the mirror. Focus on pronunciation, fluency, and the ability to elaborate your ideas. UniScholars proven key strategies for each section. To get started with a deeper understanding of key strategies for each IELTS section, be sure to check out our comprehensive guide on preparation tips for IELTS linked in bio for easy access. Listening. Immersive listening technique. Instead of just practicing with test samples, immerse yourself in English by watching movies or shows without subtitles. This trains your ear to pick up nuances in different accents and speech patterns. Real-time paraphrasing. While listening to a recording, try to paraphrase what you hear in real time in your mind. This improves your ability to comprehend and reprocess information quickly. Reading. Cross-reading method. Practice reading unrelated texts side by side. For example, an academic journal and a novel. This trains your brain to switch contexts rapidly and improves your ability to grasp different writing styles quickly. Keyword mapping. As you practice, underline or note keywords in passages and map them to their synonyms. This improves your skill in identifying paraphrases in questions and texts. Writing. Do an essay review. After writing an essay, rewrite it from a different perspective. This not only improves your writing fluency, but also helps you think more critically about various topics. Structured brainstorming. Before writing, spend 5 minutes jotting down all ideas, then categorize them into main and supporting points. This pre-planning makes your essay more structured and coherent. Speaking. Shadow technique. Listen to a native English speaker and try to shadow them by repeating what they say immediately after they say it. This improves pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Topic diversification practice. Regularly practice speaking on a wide range of topics. This can be done through joining English speaking clubs or online groups where diverse topics are discussed. Study plan and schedule. A solid study plan is your roadmap to success. We recommend at least 3 months of preparation. Dedicate specific days to each section. Incorporate regular mock tests and always review your answers. Weeks 1 to 4. Focus on understanding the test format and practicing each section. Start with listening and reading, as they can be practiced simultaneously. Weeks 5 to 8. Move on to improving your writing and speaking skills. Start writing essays and speaking about various topics. Weeks 9 to 12. Integrate full-length practice tests into your routine. Analyze your performance and focus on areas where you need improvement. And that's a wrap-up on our approach to the IELTS with UniScholars' unique strategies. Remember, the IELTS journey is about consistent effort and smart preparation. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to UniScholars for more insights and strategies on your study abroad journey. Have specific questions or want more tips on any section of the IELTS? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you and are here to help. Thank you so much for watching.